Let's make some air fried chicken with cream sauce. We're gonna start with the marinade, so I'm just gonna take some olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, black pepper, paprika, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, salt, a little bit of plain all-purpose flour, everything. This is ready. I'm taking 2 chicken breast here and I've made some cuts so the marinade can go in. I'm gonna put these in here. Just make sure to rub the marinade all over the chicken and inside the cuts as well. I'm gonna be making this in the baking dish because I need all the juices that will come out from the chicken to make the sauce. Chicken is ready. You can let it marinate in the fridge for about an hour or 2 hours, or maybe overnight if you have the time. I'm just gonna cook it straight away. So I put the chicken in the air fryer basket. This is gonna go in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, and then we will flip it. It's been 20 minutes and this is how the chicken looks. If you see that the chicken is not releasing enough water, you can just add a little bit of water in it because we need that stock. We are not making a dry chicken dish. So just make sure the chicken is cooked and you have some stock in the baking dish. So I flipped it and now I'm gonna air fry it again for another 10 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. The chicken is done, so I'm gonna remove the chicken and I'm gonna take the stock out of it. Take just a little bit of olive oil in a pan, some minced garlic to it. Just stir fry it very lightly. You don't want to burn the garlic. Garlic is light pink, so I'm gonna add a tablespoon of peri peri sauce, medium, and 1 tablespoon of the lemon and herb. You can use whatever sauce you like, whatever brand you like. Some dried parsley, some paprika, black pepper. Stir fry it for like about a few seconds only. This is from the baking dish. Mix this. Add some cream or cream alternate, whatever you have. I'm gonna cook this for a minute maybe. Serve it with some rice. There's the chicken and the sauce.